up, Gamelanders? Today we're going to play going to do episode 8 of Lloyd's brother Bruce and Clay went missing. Now let's don't make this long. Let's already put it. Kaboom! Bye. See you on the video. Back. Here we are back in the game. Yay! See guys, you know why my games like this? I don't know, because I accidentally reset my phone and then it delete everything. It's also this. So I downloaded it again and then it turned like this. What?
Pakita ko sa inyo guys. O diba, ganyan yung kainin.
Okay, I think I just...
Tapos, asin. Tapos lagyan ulit ng suka. Ganyan.
Oh, we're going to start this first world. They are in here.
Guys, naan talaga ako sa mga tao. Hindi ko makain ng balot. Sarap-sarap kayo. Hindi mo alam yung masarap. Ay, hindi ko naman sila masisisi kasi ako rin ako eh.
Yala.
Ready to shine?
Wow. Guys, and you don't know this guy and these guys. They are the secret of the, you know who's them? John Dory and Branch. They're not in episode 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7. Now in episode 8, they're now here. Oh my gosh, what happened to their hair? Wait guys, going to their hair first. Whoa! Okay, everyone, can you guys stop? Okay guys, they're going to be gone. They're going to their homes now. Oh my. Oh, so tiring. Come on, guys. Okay, guys. You know where's the 3? Okay.
Bayad ka. Pagbabayaran mo yung ginawa mo. Okay ka lang. Maglaro ka na lang itong Space World. Yan mo ibang sugat mo sa kanya. Tamang-tama ako yung killer. Huwag na sa akin tumakot.
Okay, the killers.
Ang nakakita, nakapatay ako. Isa pa, galingan mo dapat walang makakita sa'yo. Ayaw may nakakita. Basta hindi ako yung pumatay dyan, huwag na ako sisisihin. Feeling ko si number 1 yun. Sabi ka naman, Cor, baka ikaw eh. Ano, nagagad ka agad. Nagkakita ako. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What are we doing here? We're now going to defeat them? Yes, that's right. Today, we're here and we're going to defeat them on season 9 and 10. Sorry guys, I accidentally say the curse word, but I'm going to delete that. Guys, I have my bedroom by myself. My sister and my mom's not here. Taupo! Going to defeat them on season 9. Guys, they say they're going to defeat them on season 9. But that what is going to do? Oh no, this is going to be scary. Darling. Yes. What are we gonna do? Brother, what are we gonna do? Whoa. Oh, cute.
It's like this.
Get me! Brother! Ah! Wow, wow, help! Huh? Oh no! It disappeared. No, they're going. They got us. They're calling in again. No, we're gonna plan how they're gonna get. Plan how they're going. We're gonna plan how we're going to get to them. No. Oh no, guys. John Dory and Branch and Floyd got captured. What are they going to do? We're going to know that in episode 9. Okay guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe and comment that you love your mom. But don't comment if you love your mom. Just like and subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys in the next episode of Floyd and Bruce went missing. And then see you on my Roblox account. Bye! Swag Lord!